Hey, what's up everybody? So today I just got all my hair cut off. So I went into work at 8 o'clock this morning. I was supposed to work until 3 o'clock. Then I had a hair appointment at 3:30. But I ended up leaving work at like 1 o'clock and went to 2 Goodwills instead of working for another 2 hours. It's just the town that I'm in, I kind of have to drive a while to get to the other Goodwill on the other side of town, so that's why it took so long. I also got something to eat, and so that took a little bit. Well, what I want to talk about though is how much money I made compared to how much money I made by going to Goodwill compared to how much I would have made at work. So my first Goodwill I went to, didn't really find much. I was just testing out my new Bluetooth scanner that I got. I was pretty excited about it, so I wanted to go sourcing today. So I was scanning mostly media, books, VHS tapes, and DVDs. First Goodwill, I bought like three VHS tapes and a set of books. And the set of books was, I think it was priced incorrectly or something, because they had it for 99 cents for a set of 3 books. And the cashier even said it should normally be priced like $5.99, which is ridiculous, because that's how much I could get for it. I get like $6 for it on Amazon after fees. So I made like $5 there, and then on the 3 VHS tapes I'll probably make $3 or $4 a piece. So I made like $15 my first stop. And that's pretty much what I would make in an hour working my job. So I decided to go to the second Goodwill, and I absolutely killed it. Didn't really buy much. I bought mostly books, but there was a small section of books. It was actually in the children's books. They were leapfrog, like leap tag books. And these are ones that you normally play with, like a leapster type thing, where you can use, it's like an interactive book, but they normally sell for like $20 brand new, and they still get a lot of use, so there's a pretty good secondhand market for them used. So there's probably like 10 of them there, which I was like astounded by. Somebody must have brought in like their whole kids system, or all the books that the kids had for that system. But yeah. So I ended up there was like 10 of them there. I ended up buying like 7 of them that were profitable. Probably could have bought more. I didn't know how much they were going to charge me for them. They ended up charging me 70 cents a piece. And I pretty much only bought the ones that were selling for over $5 a piece. I bet most of them, they were $5 after fees, so I bet most of them I'm gonna get maybe $10 a piece for them. So I made like $70 at that Goodwill, at least, because there's a couple that I think will sell for like $20 after fees, but then there's a couple that's gonna be like $5. So it's probably be around 70 to 100 bucks at the second store. So that's, if it's like 100 bucks, that's more than I made pretty much at my whole day at work today. And I did it, that store I probably went, it's probably like 30 minutes to an hour at that store, and I made like close to 100 bucks potential profit at that store. So this just goes to show how profitable reselling can be. Like my first store, 15 bucks, so like 15 bucks an hour, which is pretty good, honestly. It's decent for like a wage. And then second store, almost 100 bucks in an hour. So that averages out to, we'll just say $50 an hour in those 2 hours. Which is a lot more than I would have made working those 2 hours. So pretty happy about my decision to kind of take off a little bit early from work. Yeah, reselling can be really profitable. I pretty much just paid for that Bluetooth scanner with those 2 stores. I might have to go to like one other store in order to pay for the whole thing, but I did pretty well, I think. So that's going to be it for this video. So I'll see everybody next time.